Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I'm with Quality Business Plan, and I'm here to bring y'all our tip number 23, which is synergy, the road less traveled. What synergy is when a company takes two or more actions to improve upon something. For example, if we owned a bicycle shop and a company replaced their tires with a higher quality tire, they might increase their sales 10%. If they only improve the frame quality, they might again only improve their sales 10%. However, if the company improves both the quality of the frame and also the tire, then the company may improve their quality, their product quality by 22 or 23%. So that's synergy, is when you take two more actions to improve upon something. Companies, they love to use synergy within their operations, and it worked fantastic. However, a lot of business owners, they fail to use synergy when they're writing their business plan, or when they're creating or strategizing their business as a whole. For example, an excellent opportunity for companies to create synergy is when they're writing the mission statement, the vision statement, and the value statement. The mission statement tells a person what the company is going to do on a daily basis to help their customer, or what is their purpose for being. The vision statement is where a company wants to be in 5 years. And the value statement, all that means is how are they going to act when they're doing their mission statement. So when our business plan writers write the mission, vision, and value statement, what we do is we try to have these aligned, where if the company does the mission statement, and for this example, helps students learn through innovative techniques, and they apply professionalism, dependability, and knowledge while they're doing the mission statement, they are going to eventually reach their vision, which is in 5 years to have 8 tutors working with 8 tutors on a national basis. So if they do this every day, and if they practice their values every day, they are without a doubt going to reach their vision inevitably. And that's where the synergistic energies might be able to be harnessed while writing a business plan. So hopefully this is helpful, and it brings to light a little bit more about the importance and the power of synergy. And if y'all need some help writing a business plan, don't hesitate to give me a shout. Thank you.